Common qualities of a terrible boss in the cannabis and extraction industry. Stick around because I will tell you how to deal with the various situations. Number 1, the penny pincher. Risk level high. This person has a difficult time delivering supplies on time, makes excuses about fixing equipment, and is always looking for shortcuts. Problem: this creates manufacturing delays and stressful work environments. Half of your time is spent waiting or ghetto rigging situations to make them work. Solution: explain in a calm but authoritative tone that the goal of the company is to make as much money as possible. The sharper your axe, the less swings it takes to bring down the tree. Identify these signs quickly and understand that if this is how the person treats the literal thing that's making them money, this pattern likely resonates throughout their entire lives. Number 2, the dirty goat. Risk level medium. This person runs the business like a swamp shed. Machines are crusty and gross. Floors are stained, and there is a tangible smell like dank urine in the laboratory. Problem: there is not pride in the upkeep of the lab. The moral compass is non-existent, and the chance to pass contaminants on to the consumer is great. Solution: take a few days to deep clean the entire workplace. Demonstrate a better way. When questioned on why you did not perform the usual daily tasks, explain that you can no longer continue operating in squalid conditions. If pressed further, tell them cleanliness is part of your religion and you are beginning to feel discriminated against. Number 3, the risk-adverse snookerfunkel. Risk level extremely high. This person has a blatant or total disregard for safety. Nothing is up to code, and it smells like fish and chemicals. Solution 1, quit this job immediately. Nothing is worth your life. You only get the one. But Grim, I depend on this job for my financial stability. Solution 2, document each hazard meticulously and make an anonymous call to OSHA. But Grim, that would make me a tattletaling snitch. That is a fair assessment. In this case, revert back to solution 1. Number 4, the I know everything but actually know nothing guy. Risk level low. This person uses trash feedstock material, is stuck in their ways. Processing takes twice as long, and they always manage to end up with subpar concentration brown turd-like oil. Solution 1, explain that they hired you due to your extensive knowledge and skill in the industry. Tell them that you would really appreciate the opportunity to showcase your skills and improve their products. Solution 2, keep manufacturing garbage. They are paying you after all. Imagine you are actually making a great product. Keep your head down and collect your check. Actively look for other jobs, as this one will certainly look bad on your resume. Bonus, the fantasy. Risk level extremely low. This person is pleasant to look at and has a bright, kind smile. They deliver everything on your list on time. Products are flawless and every safety item is functioning and pristine. They pay you a fair wage and always take your thoughts and concerns into consideration. Solution 1, cherish this company in the way that you would cherish a mythical unicorn in the Amazon rainforest. Solution 2, pinch yourself. You are probably just asleep.